The snow and wind going to impact Iowa's roadways, already doing so in some parts of the state. KCCI's Pepper Papura talked with travelers and trucking experts about how this storm is changing their travel plans.
Blizzard-like conditions moving into central Iowa are worrying travelers on Iowa's main corridors.
We're supposed to go back Wednesday, right on 35. No way.
Some are already parking their loads Tuesday afternoon.
I won't want to be traveling empty with 60 to 70 mile an hour winds. So.
Because this weather threat could bring trouble for trucks.
If we have some sort of weather event, that just puts those big trucks at even a bigger disadvantage.
Brendan Neville of the Iowa Motor Truck Association says many companies are rerouting drivers to avoid the storm. But the ones that can't get around the weather,
they're going to park those trucks. Obviously, we want to, try to be able to deliver the products that everybody needs as well. But when it comes to weather, that's probably the lower priority.
But as conditions on the roads worsen, stops like this one are filling up. Neville says emergency truck parking locations will also open up for drivers to ensure they're safely parked before the storm.
Hopefully everybody has luck finding parking when they need it and be safe out there.
KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.